In the past few billion years, Earth has survived asteroid impacts, planet collisions, freezing over, and being ruled by all kinds of wild life forms. It's honestly a miracle our planet has made it this far. To understand how Earth survived all this, we need to go way back to the beginning, around 4.5 billion years ago. The solar system began forming from a dense cloud of gas and dust that collapsed into a swirling disk of matter. As it got hotter, hydrogen fused into helium, and boom, the sun was born, with Earth following right behind it. After the sun's birth, the outer parts of the disk began clumping together to form the planets and moons, including Earth. These early clumps grew bigger and more spherical, with the cooler regions forming icy bodies and the inner ones, like Earth, being rocky. Earth was superactive at this point, spewing gases like hydrogen sulfide, methane, and carbon dioxide, which made up the planet's first atmosphere. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. Earth was constantly hit by asteroids and comets, and then came an epic collision with Theia, a Mars-sized planet. The collision sent debris flying into orbit, which eventually came together to form the Moon. At first, Earth didn't have oceans, only water vapor in the atmosphere. But 3.8 billion years ago, Earth cooled enough for water to condense, forming the first ocean. And with that water came life, microscopic organisms that appeared around 3.7 billion years ago. As time went on, the first continents, called cratons, began to rise from the oceans. The first supercontinent, Volbara, formed, and around 2.4 billion years ago, cyanobacteria evolved, producing oxygen and making Earth's atmosphere more hospitable. But with oxygen came a new problem: Earth froze over during its first ice age. As the planet's continents shifted and reassembled into new supercontinents like Rodinia and Pannonia, life began to evolve in complexity. Around 540 to 485 million years ago, the Cambrian explosion happened, leading to the evolution of animals with hard body parts. However, Earth saw its first mass extinction about 440 million years ago when the temperature and ocean conditions changed dramatically. Fast forward to 250 million years ago, and Earth was covered by its last supercontinent, Pangaea, during which Earth experienced the Great Dying, the biggest mass extinction event in history. But this paved the way for dinosaurs, who ruled the planet for the next 150 million years. After a massive asteroid impact 66 million years ago, the dinosaurs went extinct, making way for mammals to rise. Then, around 6 million years ago, the first humans walked the Earth. Over the millennia, humans evolved, discovered fire, developed tools, and eventually created civilizations. Fast forward to 250 years ago, the Industrial Revolution sparked rapid technological and cultural change, and our population skyrocketed, hitting over 8 billion today. However, now Earth faces a new challenge: climate change, which could threaten many species, including humans, leading to another mass extinction event. But that's a story for another time.